Hey everybody, I am in my garage, and about a couple of weeks ago, maybe it's been a couple months. Anyway, I did a video on our flooring. So today I'm actually gonna show you guys the finished product of our gym. I really wish that I would have showed you guys like when we were putting this stuff together, bringing everything in. I didn't really know like what I should film, what I shouldn't film. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys our finished gym. I'm gonna post it on my main channel. I actually have another channel now, which is going to be all about my weight loss journey, all of my workouts that I do, the food that I'm eating, everything that I'm just going through with my weight loss journey, I will post on my new channel called Fasting with Tasha. So here is the finished product of our gym. We put up a board. The stuff on the top is my husband's. The stuff on the bottom is my workout. This is the workout that I'm actually gonna be filming today. That's our TV. Here we have my bike, leg day, cardio. I like using the bike. And that's Tyndall chewing on her, what'd you get? Her gingerbread man that she got for Christmas. That's our row machine, another good form of cardio, but I also like to use it when I'm doing arm day. So this is what I'm going to warm up with today. Here is our Bowflex Bench and our Bowflex weights. The weights go up to 90 pounds. They're as low as 10 pounds, all the way up to 90 pounds. We actually bought our weights and our Bowflex Bench on Amazon. I don't know if it's still on Amazon because we bought this like years ago. So I don't know if they're still on Amazon, but if they are, go on Amazon and check them out. If you want to, I'll put a link in the description below with links to the weights and the bench. I'm not an Amazon affiliate, so I'm not gonna get a commission or anything like that, but just to make it easier on you guys, I'll just put the link down below if you guys wanna check them out. If they're on Amazon, I'll put the link down there. That's just a regular mat. I don't even know what kind of mat it is, honestly, but that's just a regular mat that I also got on Amazon. We have a slam ball, which is 20 pounds. Those are my 3-pound weights. We have ab rollers. We have the discs. We have 5-pound weights, 8-pound weight is a mess right here. We need to line this up. A yoga block. That thing is for the T-bar. We have a hex bar. I think that's what that's called. I love this thing. This is a Bowflex Kettlebell. It is 8 pounds. The lowest is 8 pounds, and I believe it goes all the way up to 40 pounds. Let me see. Just turn a little die here. That's 35, 40. Yep. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but as low as 8, as high as 40. And those are just some push-up bars. This is our beautiful weight rack, our cable weight rack. I love this thing. The other bench we got from Amazon as well. The rack we did not get from Amazon. We have 2 45s, a 35, 25, 2 10s. And it's the same thing on the other side, 45, 35, 25, and 10s. So we have our regular bar right here. This is 15 kilograms, which I think 15 kilograms is 30 pounds. So the bar is 30 pounds. We have a easy bar, which I believe that is 15 pounds. And then we have our shelving over here that has just all the attachments and stuff like that. So all the attachments is right here. So, you know, we have our row attachments, we have our tricep pull down attachments, we have a straight bar. To do our lat pull downs, that bar is actually underneath the rack. So we have some single grips here. These are pretty much all my bands. We probably need to get like some real, what do you call them things? Like the things to like the roll out your muscles and stuff like that. But for now, we just use these. I think we bought these from Amazon too. We have these are actually jump ropes, and you jump rope with them. They're weighted, and I actually use those when I jump rope inside the house when it's too cold in the garage for me to come outside, and that way it stays quiet. Plus we have carpet on the inside, so that way the rope itself don't mess up the carpet, and also, you know, I'm not getting tripped up because I'm jumping rope on the carpet. We have just some other grips up here, my husband's belt, and then we have the little pad that goes on the bar. This is basically what our gym looks like. Don't mind the laundry, gotta fold clothes. Oh, I forgot about the battle ropes. That's our garage door. Ropes, our actual jump ropes, those are weighted as well. Like I said, TV, and that's it. I mean, it's not real big. We don't have a whole lot of stuff, but it does what it needs to do for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of our garage gym, the finished product, since the last thing I did was put down the floors. Oh, one thing my husband did do is he taped the edges just so it'll be easier to move, like say if I wanted to move the bench or something like that, so it'll be easier to move the bench on and off the rubber floor. So that's it, y'all. That's the gym. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.